Это Олег. Это дом. It's Oleg's house. Это дом Олега. To make this sentence, we need to have дом, as in, and the owner, Oleg. We put ending «a» to show that the Oleg is the owner. Это дом Олега. Это собака. Это собака Олега. Это дети. Это дети Олега. Это жена. Это жена Олега. Это Марина. And Marina has a car. Это машина Марины. It's Marina's car. We put «ы» if the owner is feminine. Это дети Марины и это дети Олега. For female owner we had «ы» ending, and for male owner we have «а» ending. Это дети Марины и Олега. For new construction, we will still think about машина Марины, the car of Marina, Marina's car. Car is the most important here. It would be subject. We have the owner. We need «у» to the owner. У Марины, and we have what she has, машина. But to put those two things together, we need a glue, and this glue would be есть. У Марины есть машина. Marina has a car. Машина is subject in nominative case, and what is more important? We put to be verb for машина. And у Marины is genitive case. Marina is the owner. We have у to show that it's an owner and the genitive case ending. The best translation can be car is in the hands, in the possession of Marina. Car here is a subject in nominative case. What else Marina has? У Марины есть муж. У Марины есть работа. У Марины есть идеи, ideas, plural form. У Марины есть кофе. Don't forget that coffee is male. Also, I can take the owner as a boy, мальчик. У мальчика есть мяч. У мальчика есть медали. У мальчика есть кепка. У мальчика есть сестры. We have some tricky owners. For example, Sasha and Pasha. They are both male. They are male names, but they have «а» ending. Also, we have two other nouns. Дедушка, grandfather, and дядя, uncle. Of course, they are both male. And мужчина, a man. How we are going to change them? How we are going to make them owners? First, let me remind you this table. For masculine nouns, we have «а» ending if the ending is consonant. For neuter nouns, «о» should be replaced with «а». For female, «а» goes to «ы». But also you will have spelling rule. After «к», «г», «ш», «ж», «щ», «х», and «ч», we never have «ы» letter. We will replace it with «и». But there are also some rare situations. nouns, masculine nouns, with the ending soft sign or y. Those letters would be replaced with ya. Neutral nouns also have some rare nouns with ye. Ye should be replaced with ya, but not a. And feminine nouns with ya will have e ending. Keep those rare nouns in mind. Let's go back to our people. Sasha, he is the owner. It would be у Саши. Pasha, у Паши. After sh, k, and the rest 5 letters, you can't put y. It should be replaced with e. That's why дедушки, у дедушки, у дяди, as ya goes to e, and у мужчины. So all of those male nouns we will change as female because of this unusual ending. Let's talk about he, she, and they owner. We will do the same. We have его машина, whose, his car. And now I have у него есть машина. Again, I put у to show that he is the owner. I put есть as a glue and what he really has, this thing. Ее машина and у нее есть машина. The same construction. Их машина, у них есть машина. The same pattern. We need to learn I and you form as one. Я goes у меня and ты у тебя. The main idea is the same. You only have different letters. У меня, у тебя. And another group is plural for вы, as for one person in authority, and вы for plural, and мы as we. У вас, у нас. Again, the endings are the same. The idea is the same. У тебя есть красная ручка? Да, у меня есть красная ручка. У меня есть и зеленая ручка. У Антона есть черная ручка. Don't forget that such situations means existence of the thing, things, person, people in somebody's possession. It's all about ownership. It's very important to remember it. That's why this situation can be translated using the previous construction. I have breakfast means that you are not the owner of this breakfast. It means you eat breakfast. Я завтракаю в 9 каждое утро. Завтракать, have breakfast. It's not ownership, it's not possession. The same here, I am having a shower. You are not the owner, you just taking this shower. Я принимаю душ. Be careful each time when you have verb in English, but it's really not possession. It may be the part of the construction or maybe the phrase. Any other situations? Actually, yes. The house has a big room. Can't be translated the same way. У дома есть большой балкон, красивая дверь. When we talk about everything that is outside this place, as balcony here or a door, you can use this construction. The house has. But if something is inside, you will think about this place as something that actually contains this. В доме есть большая комната. The same with the city. В городе есть большой кинотеатр. Not the city has, but город it's a place, and in the city there is a big theater, movie theater. But sometimes город can be people or citizens, all of them. So they can have something. У города есть мэр. Those all people in the city has a mayor. The same with the company. У компании есть большие проблемы. The company, so the people, the board of this company, maybe employees, all of them, they have big problems. That's why they can be the owners. But в компании есть проблемы. In the company, in this structure, inside the structure, there are some problems. What else? Innate part of the thing, I can call it this way. Sometimes products, they have some special tastes or smells. У курицы хороший вкус. There is no есть, because it's not actually about membership. It's the same idea, but a little bit different. That's why we keep у курицы. Chicken is the owner, but you don't use есть. У молока странный запах. The same. No есть. The milk is not the owner of this taste, but actually it's something that the milk has in itself, as a part of itself. What about future tense? Let's go back to our construction. У Марины есть машина. We already know that есть it's to be verb. Quite old-fashioned, but still it's to be. So we need to change есть to make the sentence future. Now the car will be in the hands or possession of Marina. I need будет. У Марины будет машина. No есть because we already replaced it. So in future you will have two forms, будет and будут. У меня будет дорогая машина, because my thing is singular, and у меня будут дорогие машины. Now the form is plural, машины, so I put будут. У Саши будет дорогая машина, у Саши будут дорогие машины. У мамы the same, у брата the same. So actually the owner has nothing with the objects. To be form будет or будут. And again, don't forget, you can't put есть. Есть, it's only used in present tense. Think about what you are going to have. And the past tense. The same idea. We have the owner and we have what he had. Собака. We think not about the owner, but about the thing, what this owner had. Собака is feminine, so I will use была. У него была собака. He had a dog. I can use adjective. У него была большая собака. Самолет. У него был самолет. У него был красивый самолет. Because самолет masculine. У нее были хорошие коллеги. Коллеги plural form. You can drop the adjective хорошие or keep it. What about this? У нее много And actually doesn't matter what coffees, cups, doesn't matter because we look at много. The past form of to be verb we put according to the next, the closest word to this to be form. Before that it was an adjective, and adjective gave you a lot of information, plural form, feminine or masculine. Here you have много, closest word to be form. I don't know много. What is it? Is it feminine, masculine, plural? Actually, it's something, but I can't name it. So if it's something, regardless of what would be next, a lot of sugar, a lot of coffee, a lot of kids, it doesn't matter. I will put было. У нее было много, and then you can go on with your idea. You look at only the closest word after this to be form in the past. The same would be with numbers, with мало, with несколько, all those just mysterious words that give you no information about the gender and the number. It's not about the idea, how much or how many you have things. It's only about words. The closest word give you the to be verb of the past. And the last one. How would you translate this? I want to have a big house. You can't use those constructions that we mentioned before. To have is infinitive. So for such infinitive forms, when to have is not the main verb, you will use иметь. Я хочу иметь большой дом. You don't need to change иметь because it's infinitive, and it would be иметь. Я хочу иметь большой дом.